Somewhere there should be for all the world to see a statue of a fool made of stone, an image of a man who let love slip through his hands, and then let him stand there all alone. So build a statue, and oh, build it high, so the world can see and describe the world's greatest fool. Name it after me. And there on his face, a gold tear should be placed to honor every tear he shed. And I think it will show, and everyone would know that concealed inside is a broken heart. So build a statue and oh, build it high so the world can see and inscribe the world's greatest fool and name it after me. So build a statue and oh, build it high so that all can see and describe the world's greatest fool and name it after me. Yeah. And name it after me.